totally not center, but it's okay. Hey guys, so today we are doing a back to school makeup routine. Yeah. Oh, I just went ahead and put a little disclaimer. You don't need to wear this much makeup to school. Let's just get into the video. Yeah. I am going to be starting, starting with, of course, my Maybelline Master Prime Blur and Illuminate in shade 200. It looks so oily because of the flipping sunscreen that I put on. Ew, this is so much primer. I never use this much primer, but I just like, you know, gotta do that Instagram style. Next up, we are using the Maybelline 24-hour, up to 24-hour stay all day foundation. I don't freaking know what this is called, but I'm like almost out. I need to get some more. Or different foundations. I don't ever know what I'm using. I was just about to go foundation in a really long time because it's just too hot over summer to do foundation. TBH. So, and yes, I do put under my eyes because it's a prepper for my concealer, because my concealer, even though it's like kind of good coverage, it doesn't know what it's coming for when it's coming for my under eyes, especially in school time. In with our Beauty Blender or our foundation brush, whichever you prefer. I'm using the Superstay Better Skin Concealer. This might look way too dark when it goes on, but like unoxidizes when you blend it anyway. So like, see, like it doesn't, it's magical. Okay, but I don't know, it's just like for school, like I have worn just concealer to school before, but I end up putting it all over my face because it just like looks better, because when I'm at school I'm going for a different vibe than during the summer, so that's why. Oh crap. And then a life hack, so this is really light because I got it in winter, and I do actually change skin tones. I get lighter in winter, surprisingly, and so I take this because I still have a lot, because like my bottle exploded during vacation, and then like it was a whole big ordeal. Not during vacation, just like in life exploded. So I take some and I put it like right up here, just to like brighten, because you see how light that is, just like brighten a bit and give more coverage. And I blend that in with my Beauty Blender with the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. Anyway, now we're doing the cheeks and stuff, so I'm using, this is a horrible makeup tutorial, the Hoola Bronzer and both of these blushes, the Gold Rush by Benefit and Dandelion. But yeah, we bronze a lot in this household. Some color back in my face. Now we're highlighting without eyebrows on. Hold on. So I will do my eyebrows now with the NYX Professional Makeup Eyebrow Pencil, because it takes less time, and that's the key. Oh, Jesus. Highlighter. So this is the highlighting palette I'm using, of course, because I don't have other highlighters. And I'm using the shade Strobe. So I just wanted to say that my eyebrows looked a lot better in real life than on camera, because on camera they looked really like patchy and stuff. So yeah, I just wanted to put that out there so you know I'm not walking around with like a big patch out of my eyebrow. They do usually look better, and I've gotten better with the pencil now. So yeah, and they also were not as auburn and red. I don't know why the camera picked up only on those tones, but it's more like my hair color up here, not my hair color down here. But yeah, so yeah. Oh my god, I just hit pan! People, I just hit pan on strobe. So you might be wondering why I'm freaking and flipping out over this. I've had this palette for almost over a year and never hit pan on any of the shades, and I use it every single day. And I'm almost waiting for it to hit pan all the time. And this is a big moment for me. So just don't stop judging me, okay? Just calm down, stop judging, be happy. Bye. And I normally need to look, so you know, like you see like no highlighter in there, but there still is in this Ulta palette. I just love it so much. And it's just like really powdery, but look at that glow. More of that and brush it on my brow bone. And now we are going to set with the Milani Make It Dewy setting spray, because I don't know. See, now it like looks like skin. It's like freaking magic. Anyway, now we're going to do our eyelashes with the Essence Volume Stylist 18-Hour Lash Extension Mascara. So now we are going to be using, this is such a long video, the NYX Professional Makeup, that was just the okay, Butter Gloss in shade Madeline. Madeline. I love this stuff. Actually, first, chapstick. And we'll do another set, but cover up our eyes. And I think we are finally ready for school.
Picking it up, I'm living, I'm picking it up, I'm picking it up.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please remember to comment, like, and subscribe. What you would comment, like, and subscribe down below. Hit that bell to get notified every single time I upload. Anyway, since school year is starting up, I'm going to start posting once a week again, just so I can focus on quality content, because summer my views went down really badly, and I realized because my videos were bad. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to comment, like, and subscribe down below, and I will see you guys next week. Bye!
My boy's being sus, and you don't know how to cuss. He just sounds like he's trying to be his father. My boy's an ugly crier, but he's such a pretty